All right, now we're in the section called Achieving an A in Library. This section is really important because it has to deal with your grade. And as you know, grades are really important to having lots of options for high school. Your goal is to read more every day. You will complete a daily reading log, sometimes called a DRL, each day. After each book, you will be required to take an AR quiz to measure your understanding of the story. Both of these count towards your grade. So when it comes to the first part of your grade for library, daily reading logs, you want to make sure that you complete a daily reading log every day. Make sure to review those summary statements at the end of your daily reading log to make sure that they're complete. If you miss a day of reading, for whatever reason, please reach out to your teachers so we can figure out how to help you make it up. And students missing 2 or more DRLs will complete a read together session. That's when the student and teacher will read together just so that we can support you in making sure you're getting that reading done. The next section of your grade is AR quizzes. This is what we practiced yesterday. You want to take that quiz as soon as you finish your book. Make sure to take your time. And let us know when you're done so we can celebrate your success. We don't want to just hear if you accidentally failed the quiz. Don't forget, you need to score a 70% or higher. And if you score less than 70%, you're allowed 1 retake. You must contact a teacher in order to do that. Mr. Bynum will update your grades monthly, so make sure to reach out to him with any questions. And because he's updating that grade monthly, every student is expected to be on track to meet their quarterly reading goal by the end of each month. So pay attention to how many books you're supposed to read per week in your independent reading resource. If your goal is not achieved, you will automatically receive a parent-teacher conference, and it will negatively impact your library grade. This responsibility to read is entirely on you. Regularly talk with your ELA and library teachers about your reading goals. We are your best reference to help. Next, you want to answer this question by using the Shapes tool. So notice how it has that symbol here. So I'm going to go to the same symbol, pick a circle, and circle my correct answer. When you're done, you can click on the comment right here to go to today's exit ticket. Don't forget, in reading, we have our lesson, our exit ticket, and outside of class, you should be completing your reading log after you read 30 minutes. If you have any questions, make sure that you're asking Mr. Bynum, Ms. Vigil-Nugent, or me.